You being Cookie's doctor?
I'm done.
All done?
You gonna check his temperature? Get your glasses on. Check his temperature.
You can check Cookie's temperature?
Where's that go? Under his arm?
And what about his reflexes? You got to test Cookie's reflexes.
Checking it. Is he good?
What about this?
Oh, check his ears. Check his eyes. And his mouth. Mouth, yep. Is he good? Oh, check his heart.
Yeah, you need your glasses, that's right.
Checking his heart. Need help putting your glasses on?
Okay, you're going to check Cookie's heart? You going to listen? Is he okay?
Check Dad.
Daddy's
Is he
okay?
good? And check Comey. She good? Check Mama. Check Mama.
I'll listen.
Am I good?
We're all okay?
Yay! We're all gonna survive. Oh, cookies.